Let's make a dish that's low-cal,
but with big taste.
This chili is gonna rival any chili in town.
Oh, talk about a bowl full of heartwarming yumminess.
And it's just begging for a little bit of cheese.
always a little cheese.
So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My cheese begging Loon.
Totally.
Always.
Please, sir, can I have some cheese?
Cheese, please. So guys, it's cold outside.
Yes, it's the new year.
The new year. It's time to shed some of those Christmas pounds of holiday weight.
But you don't want to skimp on the taste.
You know us, we are not going to sacrifice on taste. So
Right.
trust us on that.
So let's get started.
Let's do
This is
it.
amazing.
Okay, so we got a nice chili pot. Whatever you got, a nice sized pot, because we are making chili.
I love that big old pot.
I do too. So I've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to put the whole garden in here.
Yeah.
We've got.
I mean, look at this.
I know.
This is ridiculous.
It's a spread. It's a spread. But it's vegetables, chili, so
Yeah.
you got to put vegetables in
Totally.
it. That was an onion, a chopped onion. This is like a cup of chopped carrot. I chopped it in my food processor. You could also just slice it. It'll be perfectly fine. This is the ribs of celery.
There's
2 ribs.
the Holy Trinity right
The
there.
Holy Trinity, but we are building off of
Yeah.
that Holy Trinity. That was 2 celery ribs that we've chopped. Here are 3 cloves of garlic that we've minced, and we're just getting started. folks.
Totally.
This is a red bell pepper that I've seeded and I've chopped. The only thing on this is, you're going to think, wow, that's a lot. It does take a little bit of prep, but it's so
That's the hardest thing about this is the prep.
That's a jalapeno that I seeded, and I took the ribs out, so it's not going to give it a lot of heat. I love this. This is 2 zucchinis that I've cut down the middle, and then I just kind of made into little semicircles like that. And now we're going to just let this cook for about 10. Did I get everything? Okay.
Yeah, this will go in later. But you guys, I can't believe it's Texas, and it's finally there's a nip in the air.
I know.
So I could wear my flannels.
I know, and I can't believe we're in Texas. I know. I love your flannel. That we're in Texas and we're making chili without meat.
I know.
But wait until you see it.
Amazing.
It's so great.
Smells so good.
It looks great. It looks and smells so good. Okay, so now it's time to season things up, baby.
Come on.
So first of all, we're going to talk about chili powder. So I have got 2 tablespoons of chili powder. We love to get our chili powder from a place in Fort Worth, Texas called Pendry's. I have a link to it. It's really good. Now,
love them.
Just know, you probably know this, different brands have different spice levels. So if you're not sure, maybe don't overdo it with the chili powder. We think 2 tablespoons is good.
But we like a little spicy.
Yeah, but not too spicy because we serve it to guests. And so just be aware of that and kind of play around with it.
Use less, use more.
Use more.
Whatever.
If you like it extra spicy, go with more. Okay, here I've got a tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of cumin. I love cumin. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Again, the cayenne's going to give you a little bit of heat. Use more or less depending on what you like. And the smell is...
That's where... Yeah.
I'm going into a daze. It's amazing.
I love it.
I know. Okay, so now, Looney, let's add some more vegetables.
More vegetables.
While I'm doing the, if I can knock things over.
Right.
I'm gonna just, I've got a 28.
This is where you get messy.
A 28-ounce can of
San Marzano, whole tomatoes.
Whole tomatoes. We love San Marzano if you can find them. And I just use my fingers just to kind of break them up and put them in there. You don't have to do this, but I think it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
So while I'm doing this, you want to talk about what you got over there?
So we like to add some. I guess this will be the meat of this vegetarian.
Yeah, it is kind of protein.
These black beans are so good. This is a 15-ounce can of black beans, and we drained it, and then we also rinsed it off. Then a cup of, this was frozen corn. This is how easy it is. This was frozen corn, and well, it's unfrozen now. And then we have some cilantro. This you can leave out if you want to. I know people have that soap taste about it, but we love it.
Okay, so now, and then you've got some liquid there too.
Oh yes, this is a cup of vegetable stock. Because we're going all veggie.
Vegetable stock, yes. Yeah, we're keeping this completely vegetarian. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, it is just a glorious. I mean, besides the taste, which is phenomenal.
Wow.
The presentation is stunning. Okay, so now we need to add a little more seasoning. I like to add a 1.5 teaspoons of sodium. Now, obviously,
sodium.
I'm sorry, of salt. If I was going to get ahead of myself. If you're going to watch your sodium intake, then you can do less than that. That's totally cool. We should all be watching that.
I love
anyway,
that.
so we're close. We are going to let this simmer now for about just 20 minutes to let all those flavors meld.
Yeah.
Stir in some cilantro. Get some cheese.
Cilantro.
Cilantro. I'm cilantro.
No.
Anyway, then we're going to eat. Okay. Oh, isn't this just... I'm telling you,
It's heavenly.
this chili is just amazing. All right, this has been going just for 20 minutes.
Yes.
The smell is through the roof. I'm going to go ahead and put that cilantro in there. Like Wesley said, some people have an aversion to it, so if you don't like it, but that was...
But you know Chipotle's actually made soap with cilantro. Yes.
Huh.
Isn't that funny?
That's
very, very smart marketing.
It is,
anyway,
I guess.
Anyway,
Back to more important things. Okay, so that was a quarter cup of chopped cilantro. You can do more or less, whatever you like, but we like it. Okay,
Yay, that looks so good. I'm so excited.
I know.
Y'all, I love this vegetarian chili, especially, like you said, when we're trying to lose some pounds.
I know. It helps because it's so low in calories. It's really, I mean, we like, of course, to top it with a little cheese. We need a little, but I mean,
don't touch.
I know. If you don't top it with cheese, then it's vegan. It's completely vegan.
There it is,
and
folks.
that is.
Oh, here, just do a slow pour, Chris.
Okay, I'll do a
Just
slow
do
pour.
a food porn moment there. Yeah.
Yeah, if that doesn't get you excited, then you need to go back to bed.
Look at that wonderfulness.
I know.
Right there. Okay. I'm sorry. I forgot to put in my
Good cheese. So we like to top. We got a little Monterrey Jack.
There it is. Look at that.
If you like just regular cheddar cheese, or you don't have to top it with cheese at all.
Then we like to add a little more flavor with some scallions.
Chopped scallions are a nice touch.
Look at how pretty that is. I hope y'all can see that.
I know, you guys. And I also would like to say, just before we dig in, we double this and we make a huge batch. It freezes beautifully.
Yeah,
and
it's
then
perfect for the week.
you have it throughout the week, throughout the whole winter.
Y'all, just look at that. Look at how.
It's crazy.
All right, I'm gonna burn my mouth, but oh, there's my cheese.
Did you get a cheese
I got
bowl?
some cheese.
All right, here we go. Wow.
Who needs the meat? That is so.
Folks, did you hear what he just said? He said, "Who needs the meat?"
I just immediately, my body just got warm.
I know.
Oh, y'all, this is 1,000. Seriously, 1,000% Loon approved.
Can you believe it? Yay! I mean, it's great. You can eat healthy and have delicious food. We love you. Happy
Have
New
a fabulous
Year.
New Year. Yes,
Bye,
yes.
everybody.
Bye.